Ya está ready. Me está cogiendo aquí. Okay, so today we're gonna be doing an oil change on a YZ250 2021. You know, you gotta be 21 or better, you know? We got that Yamaha lube, that brand new OEM oil filter, and these are gonna be the tools that we're gonna be using.
You think you got everything you need?
Everything.
Let's get started.
Nah, I can't do that. We're not gonna post that shit. First thing you wanna do is remove the little cap of the motor. Next thing you're gonna need, size 12 millimeter wrench. Gonna come right here to this screw right here. Lefty tighty, righty loosey. And you're gonna gotta hold it tight. That way you won't drop the screw.
Cause if you drop the screw,
you don't have to put your hands in the oil.
Yeah, but how many screws is that shit?
It's long. Alright, I got it. Oof. Shit needed an oil change. Look at the color of that shit. You gotta remove this to change the filter. You might drop some oil. Make sure you have the bucket under it too. It's a little tight. We don't need this, so we just throw it in there. Now what you want to do is grab a towel, clean all this good.
Make sure you shake all that residue out, guys.
You're also gonna want to come on this side. Make sure you clean this. Almost dropped that. Now by unscrewing that, you can release this. Shit, I think I broke it. Alright, so you don't fuck up the screw. You might want to put it in with your hand first. So make sure you just put it in there and tighten it.
Why?
Because I don't know if the shit got that spring inside. This, you always want to get a little bit of oil, get it right.
Damn.
It's another way. Gotta rock, gotta watch me from her other page.
Putting the screw back. Oh, make sure you get that ring.
Now you get your funnel. Shouldn't be too hard for y'all guys.
5 minutes, you can do it. Gonna be right there. Yeah, that's it, guys. Close everything back up.
Hey! What's up? All set!
Hey, young Metro, I don't trust you. I'm gonna shoot you.
Woo! Million a week. Hey! I bought her ice off a leash. Ice. Yeah, playing for keeps. Suck up the game, she a leech. Came in the game with a key. My pockets blue with Monique. Ooh, she got the perfect physique. Ooh, I tape a brick to her cheeks. Now that I'm getting this money, I'm fucking neat that they tryna get calmer. Come on. This a good week, I've been stacking them ends and I'm snatching that rape in the morning. I was the nigga locked up in the cell and they treated me like I was normal. Thanking the Lord for the blessings, I just let the megala dress in the formal. Look at my boogers, they big as you. You can get shot with your nigga too. Just to make a nigga do boogaloo. Billy Moose up with this super suit. I'm having more strikes than the leaderboard. Dicking them out like an edible. Niggas start shooting, you better move. I fight for my gang, I won't let them lose. Yo, bitch, she wantin' to fight. This shit all started off light. Hopped in my DM and wrote me a kite. Flight, she on the very first flight. Finesse a nigga, this shit bite. Sight, right, nigga, good night. Poppin' that shit, cause he thinking he pipes. 100 rounds drawn with the knife. Me and the walk, Biggie and Pop. But we so different, we keepin' the Glock. I'm on the yacht and the yacht on my watch. Fucking that thought on the ocean, Dubai. I'ma play dumb, but I see all the plot. She know what I'm by. You hit this dope and your heart gonna stop. They callin' the car. Hop on the jet, this is 20 passenger. Officer the maniac, I'm the massacre. I take your heart out and shoot your bladder up. Get to the top and we blew the lateral. Run out my money, I'm talking lateral. Got that bitch high off a perk and Adderall. Pull out the fire and you better grab it all. Bitch, I'm offset and I'm about to set it off. Million a week. I bought her iced off a leech. Yeah, playing for keeps. Suck up the gang, she a leech. Came in the game with a key. My pockets blue at Monique. Ooh, she got the perfect physique. I tip a brick to her cheeks. Now that I'm getting this money, I'm fucking deep out of they tryna get karma. This nigga week, I've been stacking the pins and I'm snatching that rip in the morning. I was the nigga locked up in the cell and they treated me like I was normal. Thanking the Lord